What's up, guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic works. Introducing Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, your ultimate weight loss companion. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, slimmer you? Look no further than Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, a revolutionary dietary supplement designed to tackle stubborn weight gain at its root cause. How does it work? Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic targets two major culprits behind excess weight: blue light exposure and inadequate in-REM sleep. This unique formulation of 8 natural ingredients works synergistically to kickstart your metabolism and support your weight loss goals. Quality assurance. Our powdered formula is meticulously crafted in FDA-approved facilities, ensuring the highest standards of cleanliness, sterility, and precision. You can trust that each batch of Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic meets the strictest quality and safety protocols. Natural and GMO-free. Say goodbye to harmful additives. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is proudly GMO-free and crafted with a blend of domestic and foreign high-quality ingredients. Embrace the power of nature without compromising on your health. Ingredients highlights. Valerian root enhances sleep quality, reduces stress, and tackles mental health issues. Humulus lupulus, a perennial plant with stress-reducing, metabolism-boosting properties. Griffonia simplicifolia, appetite-suppressing effects, anxiety, and stress reduction. Berberine, traditional Chinese medicine's gem, known for reducing body weight and belly fat. Spirulina blue, packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and metabolism-boosting benefits. Black cohosh, improves sleep quality, aids weight loss, and enhances mental health. Lutein, rich in antioxidants, promoting weight loss and improving overall health. Inulin, a soluble dietary fiber that supports digestive health and provides a feeling of fullness. Why choose Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic? Proven ingredients with extensive health benefits. Crafted in FDA-approved facilities for quality assurance. GMO-free formulation for a natural and health-conscious approach. Your weight loss journey starts here. Don't just dream of a healthier, slimmer you, make it a reality with Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Embrace the power of natural ingredients and take the first step towards a more vibrant and confident you. Order now and unleash the power of Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic.